Our project is of environmental monitoring drone. So the abstract says that currently there is too much air pollution and the current method of monitoring air pollution is a mobile van. Mobile van is much bulky and it costs around 3 to 5 crores. So we have a better option, that is the environmental pollution monitoring drone. This drone can measure various environmental data like you can see this is the dust sensor. Dust sensor is measuring PM 2.5, that is the dust particles that are PM 2.5, and this is a GPS module which is used for live location. We are using SGB30 for measuring TVOC, that is the total volatile organic compound, and total carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. Another sensor which we have used is BMP 180. It gives the value of pressure in hectopascals and the temperature in degrees Celsius. These all data can be monitored for the real time. We are using Zigbee for the wireless data transmission. The wireless data transmission can be easily viewed on a host laptop or computer. So these are our results. We have also used SD card for the data logging. So this is the photo of the SD card. It shows the timestamp, the longitude, latitude, temperature, pressure, TVOC, ECO2, all the values are there in the Excel sheet. Another thing is we are getting the live coordinates of our drone on the Google Earth. This is our drone which is present. And another thing, the raw data can be also viewed on a mobile application. This is the application, it is a freeware available in the Play Store. The problems faced were the simple like the breadboard voltage drop, that the breadboard is causing voltage drop. That was if we give 3.3 volts, then we were getting only 2.7 volts at the output. So the GPS was the main problem because it was not working below 3 volts. Another problem was the SD card working voltage. Our SD card module worked on 5 volt, but our controller worked on 3.3 volt. So what we did, we just bypassed the 3.3 volt regulator on the SD card, that is AMS 1117. Another thing was the GPS satellite problem. So for coding we needed the live coordinates of our drone that were not available indoors because the GPS satellite is only available at outdoors. Another was the low battery capacity in drone. Our drone was having a flight time of almost 15 to 20 12 to 15 minutes, and the calibration time was almost 2 to 3 days. We need to play with the PID values to get the appropriate drone calibration. So it took much of the time. We have extended the arm of our drone so that there is no problem of vertex because the dust sensor takes 0.28 milliseconds to calculate the dust value, but due to the drone's vertex formation, the dust is going away from the sensor too much fast. Another is the flight controller calibration and firmware issues. We faced many of the firmware issues, so we tied the drone on a open ground and then took test drive one by one. Another one is the application. So the application can be extended to many things like industrial gas leakage monitoring, or it can be also used by SMCs or municipal corporations to track the emission done from a particular industry for the chimney. And another thing is the live plotting. Now we will see the demonstration. This is our drone. This is the lithium ion cell. It is a TP4056 lithium ion module. It is powered from just a single cell. This is a power supply module having the boost converter XL6009, AMS 111 3.3 volt regulator, 7805 for 5 volts. The power supply is given to this PCB. This PCB is our sensors PCB. This is the Zigbee which I have mounted upside down to get the wireless data. This is our PCB. This is the wireless communication module which we are using is the Zigbee. This is our receiving Zigbee. So you can see the temperature, GPS, carbon dioxide, TVOC values all are available. So now we will be seeing the live location of our PCB. So this is the live location. You can see that the GPS coordinate are somewhat shifting. This is the error of the GPS. Now we will be seeing the live data plotting which has been done on the SD card. So I am attaching the SD card. So you can see that the log file which is created. It is having the timestamp, longitude, latitude, temperature, pressure, dust density, TVOC and ECO2. All the things are available in the Excel sheet. So currently almost 400 samples have been captured.